You there on top the original Ninja FM 102.7. We radio.
If you see the kind of group inside the studio now, you can understand why we play that kind of music. Of course, that one is the song of Zlatan Ibile himself, Let Walk, and he just enjoy it from the headquarters of the hottest Nigerian music and artists. This is Nigeria FM 102.7, 8 minutes past 1 o'clock. This beautiful Thursday afternoon, November 19, 2020. Welcome back to One Job. We don't come back from radio school. And some people say, but government school don't resume, private school don't resume. Because the government say, well, some people say the children will go to school till next year, and the coronavirus don't go fully. So, but if you begin to lay out just 1, 2, and 3 opportunities for entrepreneurs, that's why Lagos State government will South Sahara and Nigeria FM to keep children radio school. Tomorrow, when I join us again, 12 to 1 o'clock. For the Friday edition of Radio School. But regular programming don't resume, and of course the first voice, 9 a.m. My name is Godwin Aruwaya, the ladies' man at this studio with my guests, plenty of them, hot, fantastic Nigerian artists this studio here. And then with the entertainment gist for today, 1 to 2 o'clock, alright? There are plenty here, but of course, the focus first one on Zlatan Ibile. Zlatan Ibile this inside the studio.
Get back here, money not the Lagos, money not the Lagos, money not the.
Zlatan, first when they drive that kind of way back or downstairs, they say money not the Lagos.
Boss, money not the Lagos.
I see that way back or downstairs, I can't despise what I drive.
Even if my own is still.
See where you call that. How you doing as Zlatan?
Give God the glory.
What did happen? Where you there for a while? People say quiet small.
Yeah.
On the low key. Tell us what did happen.
Just been indoor getting some new stuff.
The new stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I just relax, I chill. I chill, they relax, and they try to show my brothers out there. My heart is Jamo Piper, bad and Fabrizio. So I feel like for me to feel able to push them out there, I need to just chill a little bit, let them go out there, and then I don't resume school back like this.
Now you don't resume back. Okay, well, Jamo Piper didn't start to do. Jamo, how now?
Ni kwana ole mumu kwini ole mumu oya baby pana tisi dumunu mi dun dada fit spend my naira or dollar iwo gangan ló ma mọ̀ lára yeah
Oh, then this is the Jamo Piper. How you did that your song, I don't know. We will talk about that one later. We will talk about the song, but of course, Zlatan brings something new in that studio now. And someone will just talk about that one first. Lagos Anthem. Zlatan, you know, say at one point, you get things, you drop Zanku. Zanku now be the dance. We come down to national dance anthem.
Yes.
National dance anthem. So, and like I tell you before, I say unconsciously, but people mind. They always say, if Zlatan drop anything, how far now? What's be the new dance? So tell us about Lagos Anthem first, and then we'll talk about the dance.
Yeah, Lagos Anthem now the new song where I just dropped. Where I never even dropped. We could drop this night.
They drop this night, midnight.
Yeah, we drop this midnight.
Okay.
It's the bomb.
So the song they drop together, the song and the video.
Yeah, dropping tonight.
Okay.
The song they talk about the struggle with the Lagos and then the enjoyment with the Lagos. Every night they see Bentley for Lekki, they see those girls. And they can see money the Lagos. Every day see people they pop for club every night, and they will say money no the Lagos. They see people they chop money like palliative, and they don't say money no the
Lagos.
So
the song basically they reflect the fact. So if you say people say money no the, but they see things
money no dey to some people, and that when some people they don't say money no dey, money dey.
Okay. So as some they see money no dey, money you go see they see money dey pass you. Money no dey, they drive, they go, you go see house. But I want to build this one.
They say money no dey Lagos. They say Lagos.
Okay. So who produced it there?
Big Prime. It's just something else.
Okay. Big Prime. So you drop officially today this evening.
Yeah.
Well, now hear what inspired the jam. So of course, the reality, no matter what they talk, everybody. And like somebody tell me, somebody say, now who no get money, something cost for.
Yes.
Because I go by that thing, tell me, look, person get money, no cost for it, you understand? All those kind of things that they matter with that. So now, this one you drop Lagos Anthem now. Say would they look forward to say EP for front or album? Because for instance, you know, say album full everywhere now. BC drop album, David drop album, Nini Ola, Olamide, Remini drop EBT, Maya, Burna Boy. So what would they expect something similar from you soon?
Yeah, I don't feel to say right now.
Okay.
I can't say. Okay. Spirit.
So now just one single.
I have a lot of songs ready. Okay. I have like close to like 8 albums piled up.
8 albums piled up.
Yeah.
I need to adjust this on my phone. so that you go. I go hear what you talk well.
So I get like a lot of songs, and I just take the right time to put them out. Like Lagos Anthem now, just the right time to put out for the process, so that's what's going on.
But not surprised to say get something like that. I mean, you get studio for house, you the musician and music, you wake up music, sleep music. Which one you prefer again?
Maybe if they don't see work for
Chevron.
I mean, they don't give us chance to be share palliatives.
Chevron or Shell or political appointment. You know, the only time president is the person who need to do work and then they go say the money they come. You know, they work for a company, they work for National Assembly. And then you be senator or House of Rep member. So all this kind of thing. Okay, so we'll just enjoy Lagos Anthem first. For the first of many singles we will expect.
Yes.
In the coming months.
2021, like every 2 weeks, but if you did drop, because this 2020 don't do dollars, just sit down.
Yeah, talking about 2020, how 2020 don't be for you so far? You know, so no show, no event.
My
no
best
nothing.
year so far with this now.
Your best year?
Wow.
Wow.
My best year so far.
Wow.
I never achieved pass with this because everything was hard and then I was still able to scale through and then we still do this.
Okay, fine. So when we play the new song, Lagos Anthem, when we come back, I will go see follows Zlatan and talk more. Of course, I go follow Zlatan, go pipe and talk. If that in song, if no be you. Anytime I hear that song, my dada is scatter. I don't get dada. But my imaginary dada, he is scatter. You understand? And of course, you know, say Father DMW said it for here. I go follow and talk.
Abokito Jack. Stop playing.
I go follow and talk. But when we take the Lagos Anthem, come back then, and Zlatan won't teach me the Lagos Anthem dance.
You do the palliative dance. You know the
so not your dance, stay with us. Workshop to continue the midday show. We'll do the first voice governor on top Nigeria FM 102.7. I guess Zlatan will be inside the studio. Jamu Piper day here. I'm Father DMW. Plenty music matters. Now we discuss. We come back after this.
You there on top the original Ninja FM 102.7. We radio. You there on top the original Ninja FM 102.7. We radio.
Very lovely jam, man. That's definitely very lovely jam. Of course, you know, so you don't want to anthem already. I would not even dance the song here. That don't do this here. All of us dance. Me, Zlatan, Jamo, Father. All of us dance the song. So we'll go put on our Instagram handle at Nigeria 102 FM later. I'll put on my own too. Zlatan, all of us will put on board. You go online, we talk people that song pass. Airport, you don't get AC.
Why? I'm only daily goes.
Money day. I mean, all those BB cars, even Zlatan Daily Ghost.
You some Lagos.
All of us Daily Ghost, but
Mr. Country Lagos.
I did Lagos right here on top Nigeria FM 102.7, the original Nigeria station. Okay, 18 minutes on past 1 o'clock. It's still November 19, 2020. The date never changed. Zlatan Day Studio plus the other guy, Jamu Piper and Father DMW. Zlatan. This one, by the time you drop midnight 12 now, from morning when people wake up, from that time they will begin to see them on all online platforms everywhere.
Voila. Yes. It will be hard. 12 a.m. on all platforms, Spotify, Apple Music, Audio Mac, YouTube.
So you can watch them for YouTube, download them everywhere, and everything about the song. Okay.
And they listen to Nigeria FM, they go play on steady.
Yeah, definitely. Now every day, yeah, at the headquarters of the Orchestra Nigerian Music, so we no get choice. And of course, for the video, when I watch the video, I go learn the new dance. We don't become the dance anthem now for the country. So they dance this jam. You understand? The jam makes sense. Well. Okay, now I ask you one question. Jamu Piper, how far? This your song, you know be you. I just say I believe say you shocked the way the song did do.
But there is a shock, my brother. I did like because everybody with the work won't make it. So I no matter where I wait for, but no be soon.
What inspire that song? You know me.
If no be na normal thing where everybody dey face as a nigga we no get rapper.
That word we use for radio, they go say arrest you. They talk no.
As a man we no get rapper. So woman no go want deal with you down. Woman will break up with you well. So I just did one day see, so I don't even get girlfriend like this. But I want to tell my story. See, some
So you know your
story.
girlfriend like this?
No, I did that time.
Okay, but okay, now you don't get
You
it.
dey chop me like palliative now.
I
Chop just
did.
like a palliative.
You're talking about palliative.
I don't tell them that, but me no feel like saying that me follow them go lose.
So, but that time when you know they just see someone you know get
As that
You don't
time,
go
as
there.
that time, as you know,
Yeah.
I just dey reach to see why I won't even tell my story like this. Cause there's some certain things where if you tell your moms, they don't bear with your baby, she get some kind of thing I go talk with see. So I just say like, see why I won't even tell my story. So there was a girl where I met that time, so like when you try to tell you, see, I can't even tell you my story. You don't get it. Just instead of wasting these lyrics, brother, make it enter.
Make you enter inside, make you enter studio, just take proper.
You, if you don't be,
I can't just put my man, me or go inside.
Now you don't see normal. If song dey normal now,
Yeah.
you think say if we make the song take bigger, if we give you what you want on the song.
So you can put me on inside. Okay, so when we could expect something new from you?
Definitely soon now.
Before the end of the year at least. At least one new job before the
Special
end of
episode,
the year.
boy.
Okay, come tell us what you dey do for the DMW. Tell us what thing dey happen now. Microphone, near mic. Don't tap that mic first. Yeah.
Yo, I'm just
You just dey chill with us that time.
no.
Big man, next time also.
I thought.
I'm trying to make, I'm trying to drop my EP soon, so
Okay.
I'm working on this.
Don't work on the EP now.
Yeah,
Don't get the title for the EP yet.
Yeah,
What is the title?
Abokito Jam,
Abokito. How many tracks go dey inside?
like 5.
5 tracks.
Yes.
Only you all through, or you feature?
No, I feature like 3.
You feature?
Like I feature Rich the Kid,
Okay.
so I feature AJ or my nigga.
Okay.
So the other one I'm like single.
So when the EP go come at end of this year, the sometime next
Like next year, something like
year.
2021.
Before the end of the first quarter, like
Yeah.
between January, February, March.
Like February.
February.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Zlatan. So Alpha, your label, you still get Django inside, you still get Ubas.
Bars, Papi Snoop,
Up
go
to
spray
2 inside.
film.
So when you can plan to drop a body of work, all of them together.
I can't see for now.
Okay, but everybody does the work, shall they drop it?
Yes.
This one you won't get it full album, self. They won't select tracks
See,
before
but I
the
don't
album
go
will die
have
you.
this. If
You
you can
understand?
like palliative.
Okay. Well, I just want to ask you. I want to ask you one question. That what is your opinion on all the drama where they go on? The Lekki shooting.
Now my life, I face like this.
We don't invite. We don't know where the army from come.
I don't
Authority at the
follow up
top.
with that news. I
You know, all the plenty talk where they talk left, right, center, deny. At the end of the day, say okay. You know, like when Lagos State government say they don't invite them. After they come say okay, well now powers at the top. After they come say nobody there. After they come say one person die. After they say 2 people die.
Most of the time, it's the talk that news. That make they take our life. That we make our
That's why I take.
I don't really follow up with this.
I know what it is that they do. No, I know what you they do. I
don't know with you. What
Okay,
do I call
but
that
in general, you saw the whole of that answer to test that time. What if your general advice to youths on how to survive for this country?
You have to face your life. Better yourself, love. Nigeria don't better with that. Yes. If you want your Nigeria to be better, just work on yourself.
So in a nutshell, you say if your hustle pay, your life better, your Nigeria
Nigeria don't
better.
better with that. So Nigeria do your own personal handle.
You there on top the original Ninja FM 102.7. We radio.